Maximus is an optical engine. You can see it here on the right. It's a large 50-degree diagonal field of view optical engine based on a 2D reflective waveguide. The 2D pupil expansion reflective waveguide enables two major things. It enables a very large field of view, again, 50-degree diagonal in a 1:1 aspect ratio, and a small entrance aperture into the waveguide, which in turn enables this small projector module that can integrate into this demonstrator that some of you have already been seeing. This is an AR glasses demonstrator, including two such optical engines, one for the right eye and one for the left eye. So how does the Lumus technology work? We have a projector. The virtual image is generated by microdisplay. In this case, it is an LCOS. So we have an illumination unit illuminating the LCOS and collimating optics in the projector, collimating the image towards an entrance aperture to the waveguide. The waveguide in turn performs 2D pupil expansion, horizontal and vertical, and reflects the image towards the user's eye.